Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to block tags in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let us simply look at how to block tags. Well, it is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply look at the top right. Right here, you can see your username. Click on it right now. That is Manage Account. From here, what you guys need to do is simply scroll over right to Store Preferences. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. This is the page that we are looking for, the Store Preferences. Simply scroll down in this section, and right here you can see something like Tags to Exclude. Simply enter a tag that you want to exclude right here. I'm gonna add it right now. As you guys can see, I have typed something. Now all I'm gonna do is click on Add. And guys, that is it. That's how we add tags to exclude. This is it guys. Simply type whatever you wish and hit on Add. In order to delete it, simply click on this cross button right here. Well guys, that is it. That is how you block tags in Steam. If you guys found this video informative and from a content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.